So once you pick one of the fabric, any color is fine. Don't pick up your skin tone colors. If you have frog, you don't pick up green. Okay? You just wanted this to be a costume. Could have different colors than the animal skin tone colors. Okay? So now I put the template right on the fabric, and I'm just gonna trace. I just trace the template. And you also need scissors to cut it out. So I take it off the template. I'm gonna cut out the fabric. Use the cross point to cut. Cutting out fabric is different than cutting out the paper. Right. And the scrap fabric, you can throw it away in the trash. So in the middle of the circle, you have to fold it. And then just cut it right in the middle. You see a hole. Put your scissors inside and cut it out. All right, now we have the shirt. So remember, when we have our puppets wear our costumes, will be one side will be front, the other side will be back. So when you open it up, when you draw this one this way, when you need to draw on the other side, you need to flip over, right? Does it make sense? So I'll show you. So I'm thinking about something needs to be pretty big right in the middle. So what would be really big? Oh, I like to make it into a tree. I'll make it into a big tree. And then maybe I'll make it into a flower tree. Everything needs to be big. And then maybe I will have rainbow behind it. Then I'm done. Okay, now I need to design on the other side. Something pretty big right in the middle is good. Okay, don't make something small. So the requirements, one thing big right in the middle, and maybe you have two small things on the shoulders. So maybe I'll do this. Shooting star. Right? And maybe I will have the couple of the smaller one. Now I'm done. This is my design. Now I need to flip over. So when you fold into half, this will be one side, this side could be the front, the other side could be the back. Now you need to open. Now you need to write down your name. Please do not write down your name right in the middle, because this is in the middle is where you're gonna glue to the puppets. So you have your name right in the middle. It doesn't make sense. You need to have a name down the bottom. So your class code is 2M, and I'm going to write it down my name. So write it down the bottom, okay?